Welcome to Carrier Lane Bid, the simple solution that allows shippers and brokers to find and accept jobs. To begin, click Sign Up. Fill out all required fields and then enter your email and password. Be sure to read our terms and conditions, then check the mark to agree. Click Submit to create your account. Once we have received and verified your information, you will be able to use the service. Once your account has been approved, you can log in with the email login and password that you provided. Keep in mind that if you are an employee at a company with multiple Carrier Lane Bid users, you can register with the same company's credentials. Now that we are registered, let's start by adding freight into the system. Click on Post Freight. First, we will enter pickup info. You can have up to 7 pickups. Please fill in all the required information. Be aware that unless a pickup or delivery appointment is entered, it is automatically considered first come, first serve. If you change the appointment, the carrier may request additional compensation. Now you can either click Add Pickup to create additional pickups on this route, or click Proceed to Drop-Off to begin adding drop-offs. Let's leave this route at 1 pickup and proceed to drop-off. Fill in all the required information for this drop-off. Then select 1 or more pickups to be dropped off at this location. Finally, you can add any special instructions for this drop-off, such as specific inner rules of your company, a route to the facility, or loading, unloading rules. Now let's go to My Freight. You'll find that your new freight has now been added to your account as a private freight. This means that carriers cannot see your freight on the freight bid board. At the same time, you can only bid on trucks on the truck bid board with freight that is private. If you would like to make your freight public and available to carriers, click the Add to Board button next to the freight. This will create a timer. Your freight will stay on the board for an hour, able to receive bids, and then it will expire. You can click the refresh button to add your freight to the board again for another hour. Keep in mind that any bids you have received before your timer expired will be cleared on a refresh. The amount of bids you receive on freight are visible under the Bids column. Click on this number to view the truck info for the bid. Here you can either accept or deny bids. Now that we know how to receive bids, let's use the Quick Search map to locate and bid on trucks using the freight we just created. Click on Home. This will take you to the Quick Search map. Now click on Origin and select any origin states the truck will be coming from. Then click on Destination and select any destination states that the truck will be going to. Select a trailer type filter from the drop-down menu to specify trucks with a specific trailer type. Click the Calendar button next to the Date field to specify a date filter. Once clicking Submit, you'll be taken to the truck bid board with a listing of your search results. From here you can view all information about a specific truck. If you would like to select a freight to bid on a truck, you can use the drop-down menu to select your load number. Click Apply to send your bid to the carrier for approval. You can view its status, as well as truck details, back on My Freight by clicking on your load's bid number. You will now have to wait for the carrier to confirm your bid. Once the carrier has confirmed, you will see Approved under the confirmation column. You will now have to wait for the job to be approved by an operator. Once it is, the job will appear in your billing screen. From here, you can monitor its status. You can call the operator to update the status of the job. When the invoice is available, please submit your payment by the same day freight is shipped, at the latest. Congratulations, you have just shipped freight using Carrier Lane Bid.